So you want to learn how to change a Porsche key battery? Let's delve into Let's Talk Porsche's tech tips. So here we have one of the main keys that you'll have if you have a Porsche. This one's like the older keys. You'll have these on like Boxsters, Caymans, first generation Macans. So there's a little lock that you can unlock and it pulls out the key. You can then get your fingernails in and pull out the side pieces. And this is also what you have to do if you want to change the colours on the side blades of your key. You then use the key to pull out the little plastic section that covers the key battery itself. The key battery then just easily comes out. You can then replace with a brand new key battery, and then it's as simple as putting it all back together. That centre piece just clips back in, the side blades just clip back on the side. Again, if you've got some coloured side blade keys that you get from Porsche equipment, that just clips on. Key goes back in, lock it back across, and there you're done. So here we have the newer generation key that comes with like KNs, 992, 911s and so forth. Here there's no lock, you just slide out the key. So that's the dummy key used to unlock the car if the key battery has died. Again, you have the little side blades which you can just detach fairly simply. Again, this is what you would do if you were also replacing the side blades for coloured side blades that you've got from Porsche equipment. Here, the key batteries, you don't need to clip everything off. It's just a little lock that you unlock and pull out. And that's where you get access to the key battery. Again, you just replace with a new battery, put the locking cover back on, then put the side blades back on just by clipping them back onto the side. You can then just place the spare key into the slot and there you're done. So there you have it, how to change a key battery on both Porsche's older and newer style keys. Check out this video on the latest additions to the My Porsche app. And as always, if you like this content and want more from us at Let's Talk Porsche, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell.